In this video, I'm going to share how I made $3,000 in 30 minutes on just 2 trades using the TTM squeeze. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Bo with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Also check the description for some valuable resources. If you have been watching my YouTube videos, you know I trade the same system for every single trade. That is no different from what I've done today to make $3,000 on these 2 trades. The first trade I took was on DOCU, D-O-C-U. I took this trade because it fired short on the daily. You already know my list of steps I go through before entering a trade. The first step is identifying what fired long or short. In this case, DOCU fired short on the daily time frame. Once I saw that, my second step was to go and look at the EMAs. I saw that all the EMAs were stacked negative. My EMAs are on the daily, 4-hour, 2-hour, and 1-hour. And I told you all in my previous video that I like everything to be aligned. Once I saw that the EMAs were stacked negative, my next step was to check if the ticker fired short in the same direction on any other time frame, which it had. It had fired short on the 4-hour. That's even more confirmation for me to enter this trade. Next, I checked the histogram, the TTM squeeze histogram, which showed me a red bar. That's a bearish indicator. I checked the TTM wave. The TTM wave is dark blue, which shows that it is losing momentum. That means that buying pressure is drying up, and that made me get into this trade. Once I confirmed everything, I sent out alert to my group at 9:50 a.m. Mine says 3:50 because I am in another time zone. I alerted DOCU 225 put with an expiration of 226, and it cost us $1.75. I purchased just 3 contracts. I ended up getting same day expiration because they were cheap, and I expected the move to occur soon. I knew this wasn't a trade I was going to swing. Within 5 to 10 minutes, we saw DOCU break below an area of support and it started to drop. We ended up closing this trade for 200% gains. That was $1,050 for me, and the trade only cost me $525. The next ticker we took a trade on was JMIA. I got in for the same reason I took the DOCU trade. I saw that it fired short on the daily time frame. I went through my same steps that I always go through. Are the EMAs stacked in the same direction? Yes, they are. Did the ticker fire short on any other time frame? Yes, it did. It fired short on the 1-hour and the 2-hour time frame. Then I came to my chart. Did the histogram look bearish? Yes, it did. And the TTM wave was losing momentum and it's decreasing. Those are all bearish signs. So I entered a short position. For JMIA, I entered an at the money, same day expiration put. They were 82 cents each, so I bought 10 of them. For 82 cents each, that cost me $820, so it was less than $1,000. Similar to DOCU, JMIA broke an area of support and started to pull back. Within about 10 to 15 minutes, we were up 242% on this trade. And because I had 10 contracts, that was $2,000. So we ended up closing this trade for 242%, $2,000 for me in profits. I had made $3,000 within 30 minutes just by using the same system I use for every single trade. If you're looking for an active trading community with alerts and trades just like the one I described, check out our Discord server. It's linked right in the description. Come join us and trade with us. Remember, this is for informational purposes only and not a recommendation for you. I'm just letting you know what has been working for me and my group. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out whenever I post a new video. I would really appreciate it. See you all next time.